Good morning mga bayot. It's our day 4 here sa Spectrum of the Seas. And we're going ashore. We're going ashore. So, nandito ka, padaong na yung barko sa Fukuoka Port, sa Hakata. And excited na si Mikey. Kaya tingnan mo outfit
Pag ako
niya.
walang nabili
Ang outfit niya, galit na galit.
Ay, picture mo ko na.
O, diba? At magpapapicture pa nga siya. So, wait lang mga bayot. Team Bayot welcomes you, Fukuoka, Hakata Port. Ayun na, nandito na tayo sa Port of Hakata. There you go. At late na silang mag-hello. I-welcome mo naman ang mga Team Bayot. Welcome to Hakata Port. We're approaching na papasok ng Port of Hakata. Kaya nga, ano na, pasok na kami, all green. Mga bayot, nakalabas na tayo sa cruise terminal. Papunta tayo ngayon sa international cruise. Ano yan? Oh, yung Hakata Port International Terminal, kung saan nandun yung public bus na pwede tayong sumakay going to Hakata Station. Kasi alam mo na kung saan tayo pupunta, sa Tosu Premium Outlet.
Sabihin mo, bakit hindi tayo nag-avail ng mga excursion?
Ayun, hindi kami nag-avail ng excursions kasi number 1, Mandarin speaking language lang yung ano nila, yung ang tawag doon ha, tour guide. Yung tour guide na mag-a-assist. Syempre, OP tayo mga bayot, out of place, literal. And at the same time, alam mo naman kapag mga ganoong bagay na excursions or mga tour, restricted yung time, 'di ba? Budgeted yung time, na allotted, ganyan. So, hindi natin
Restricted, limited.
ay limited pala, sorry. I stand myself corrected. It's limited. Oh. So, yon. Yan na. So, ito na yung Hakata Port International Cruise Terminal. Okay. Success mga bayot. Yan. Hindi tayo naligaw at nakasakay tayo going to Hakata Station. Okay? Yes, mag-ano na tayo, mag-JR train tayo. Yung Kagoshima line ulit, going to Tosu Premium Outlet. Diba? Walang na high blood for today's video. Sa init.
Pagod na. Oo.
Pero ngayon,
Ano ka maulan-ulan?
gloomy weather ngayon, kaya okay. Pero may ano pa din, di ba? Init pa
Hindi nga
din.
binibigyan tayo.
Nauhaw ka ba, Han?
Pero sa tubig. May sense yung mga nila.
Look at that. Tingnan mo mga bayad. Oh, pa. Extended ang bus nila. Diba? Ang bongga.
Binabago yan.
Hello, 7-Eleven. And we're approaching Hakata Station na, mga bayon. Palabas na tayo ng Hakata Station. The famous Hakata Station. Approaching Hakata Station. Hakata City. JR Hakata. Dito ka, picture. Ayan o. Oh, diba? Napakalaki ng Hakata Station. Oh. Yes, may subway, may Shinkansen, tapos may JR line.
Hindi mo na ito kailangan.
No need na.
If you're trying to under 5 years old, please don't let the children queue in the line because we're wasting your time. We don't want you wasting your time. Okay? Thank you for understanding and cooperation.
We're going in sa bumper cars, mga bayon.
检查一下，是放在肩膀上面还是夹在窝里面了啊？先生，你这个。
Tatakbuhin mo, ah.
Ano ba tayo?
Yan na yan.
好，注意台阶，注意台阶。
Takbuhin mo na.
Watch your step!
小朋友的身高如果不够的话，请让我们的小朋友坐在副驾啊。身高不够，请坐在副驾，不要坐在驾驶座啊，由家长来开。
Hala, nauna na. Sa orange ka na. Orange ka na. Dito pa rin daanan. Kanan din walang daanan.
Pupunta dito sa taas.
Oo. Oh. Paano na paulan na? Ay, sorry. Ayan o. Pwede pa rin dumaan dito eh. Dito pa rin daanan o. ping pong or
准备好
table
的数位
tennis
上
area.
场 ，in 3, 2, 1，帮我们快 Let's go！
Yan.
Okay, press your pedal, bring your wheel together。那么右脚请持续踩住油门，方向盘转动起来。
Then, here, archery. Archery. Then we go this one. Okay. Step on the board. Wala. There you go. Then another table tennis para sa mga matatanda naman. Table tennis for matatanda.
脚踩油门，方向盘转动起来。
Tignan natin.
May paalak pa.
Wow, may pa-champagne and cake.
A special note for you. Hope you enjoy your cruise.
Wow.
Oh, sabi niya. Ito daw, special note for you. Hope you enjoy your cruise.
Special
Super
ano.
enjoy because super maraming pagkain. Ah, pwede niya.
Hindi mo mauwi. Tingnan mo naman, oh, babasagin yan. Special note. I-shot na natin yan. Ayun. We didn't expect this, mga bayot. Hope you enjoy your cruise.
Ay, sorry, guys.
Baby Sabi?
Because kayo nag-aayos.
Parang so yan mga bayo. Thank you sa cousin ko kay Mafi na she's working as well here in Royal Caribbean sa anong tawag dito? Sa kitchen, and of course sa asawa niya kay OG Miranda sa communications office naman siya. Ayan hope you enjoy your cruise, Baby
Joy,
Sabi.
mali. Akin yan.
Thank you Mafi and OG. Kaya pala, may pa ganito. Cheers! Thank you, Audrey and Mafi and Baby Sabi. At this moment mga pait, kukunin na natin yung passport natin. Kasi last night na natin. Yan ang pila. Mabilis lang pala. Sumisingit lang yung mga Chinese. Malapit na kami. No, you can just sing. You can just sing, yeah.
I want you to do the dollar wine.
I'll go that tune. I'll go with that tune.
You don't know how to? I can teach you. You want me to teach you how to do the dollar wine?
Sure.
Alright, we're gonna teach you how to do the dollar wine a little bit. So we gotta move your hips. Oh, I have to turn the left right here.
Yeah.
There you go. Then, I think, then, I think,
Ah, okay.
You stop!
Go.
I want you to do it. You want me to hold the camera for you? She said she don't like it, me move it so slow. She want me walk up to it, where's the tempo? Then I said, I said, I said, when I think she got under the wall, I hear she got low. Forget this motion, Jimmy. Big money line. Dala, 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 dala. I thought you were. Hey. All right then. Okay then. Warrior, 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 warrior. Hey, warrior. Hey. Hello. How are you?
I told you I can dance.
You say that? Oh yeah, you go. Oh, you see him going fast. I need to catch that fire.
Order! We will be the winner!
是的，那么谁表现的最好，得到的尖叫声最多，谁将会成为今天的赢家。
Sasha decided to show how to vote, okay? So, beautiful ladies, easy for you, easy for you. Who are the ladies?
大声喊 Ready Love， 好不好？
好不好？
好啊
Ready now! Say!
Belly
It's time for the vote. It's time. 好。
来，所有的观众朋友们一起倒计时，准备。
Let's see if Mr. Lin is splashing more than water than the contest number 3. Let's see. Shall we? Everybody, all together in sound! The other contestant, you're the most youngest guest to have engaged our competition, okay? Let's see. Boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, let's come out all together in sound! How long to take this belly? 10 years. The cruise vacation, how many kilos you eat today? Oh, the windy summer is here. Everybody, let's come out all together in sound!
准备倒计时，3、2、切场了，再来一次。
The number one.
Zo!
第一位是谁呢？
Zo!
In our
Mr. Zo!
competition, Booty Crush.
Zo!
Huh?
Zo!
That's it. No? Huh?
Alam na agad.
Yes or no?
Zo! Yes!
My kids are here.
Ah!
Are you here?
Na!
Yeah, you know who is the winner. Ladies and gentlemen, in our first place, everybody is right.
Oh!
Is And Sasha, I have a pleasure to...
This will be our last dinner. Naantok na. Dahil sa gamot, ay maalo no. Tinan mo. Last dinner here. Last appetizer. Ano nga to? Tapas. Ano yun sa'yo? Tapas yung sa'yo. Shrimp in Shanghai sauce. Green papaya salad. Bon appetit! Ayan mga bayot. Covered. Hi baby.